Last year, NordVPN released new apps, performed a no-logs audit, and grew its network to 5,100-plus servers in 62 countries. Now, the service meets 2019 with new awards. NordVPN was rated the best VPN overall and best customer service by BestVPN.com. It is also the top 5-star editor's choice in 2019 by PC Mag. These awards reflect the hard work that the entire team at NordVPN has put into providing the most advanced and secure consumer VPN on the market. What do the reviewers like the most about NordVPN? It supports up to 6 devices connected at the same time, while most VPN services limit you to up to 5 simultaneous connections. NordVPN supports Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and Linux with handy apps, plus browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. More than 5,100-plus servers in 62 countries make NordVPN one of the largest and most geographically diverse services. Both the maximum burst speed and the average speed of NordVPN is performing better or similar to other providers. NordVPN is based in Panama and doesn't store any logs of user activity. NordVPN has 24/7 customer support, live chat, and an extensive help center to answer all the questions. NordVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try and see how you like it. To learn the latest news and updates, don't forget to subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.